Welcome in my class. Today I take a online class about financial management. BBA third year honors development, and you follow the math. First of all, the chapter name is Theory Capital of Extraction. Do you know what purpose you can use theory of capital structure? Theory of capital structure is very important because if you can invest any large organization, you need capital. Two types of capital you use in your organization. First of all, you need value. V equal S plus B. S means equity of share. B means bond or debt. B oblique D are same. You can invest any organization, you need share or bond or debt. Without share, you cannot invest a large company. If you can need more money, you need bond. If you have any small organization, you can invest your own capital. But if you can think you can invest a large company or public limited company, you need both type of capital. First, the sum, one requirement, one question. The X company limited issues debenture of taka 70 lakh at 12.5%. The earning before interest and tax amount is taka 24 lakh. The cost of equity is 20%. You are required to calculate it. First of all, requirement 1A, value of the equity. Equity means total share. Value of the company means total value of the company. Overall cost of capital is very important. It means K0. Overall capital means K0. It is very important because you need to cost rate of the capital. If you need this sum, first of all you think that sum meaning of the symbol. V equal value of the firm. EBIT means earning before interest and tax. EBIT profit NOI. EBIT, profit, NOI are same. K0 overall cost of capital. S value of the equity share. B equal total market of value of debt of bond capital. I means annual interest. NI net income. KE cost of equity capital. KD cost of debt capital. EBT earning before interest tax. EBT means if you can minus interest rate, then you can calculate EBT. EBT NI same. EBT oblique NI. A requirement A, value means S plus B. S V suman S plus B. B means K0. K0 means overall cost of capital are same. EBIT oblique NY divided V into 100. B means bond. B suman interest divided KD. KD means cost of debt. D number required S suman NI by KE. The first requirement, dear student, first requirement value of the equity. If you can equity, you need first calculate EBT. How can you can calculate EBT? You know EBIT is last option in this sum. EBIT here given 24 lakh. You have question given 70 lakh debt debenture at the rate 12.5%. It means it's included debenture rate 12.5% interest means it's include the interest rate of debenture. If 1 lakh here given 1 lakh means 1 lakh 12.5% interest rate. So you can calculate it 70 lakh taka 12.5%. The calculator 8 lakhs 75,000. You can reduce it 15 lakh 25,000 taka. Here given EBT. EBT and NI are same. So you can calculate it cost of equity. Cost of equity is KE same. Cost of equity you can calculate KE. Achha. Here given KE 20%. 20% means %. 20%. Here you can calculate 100. भाग 0.2%. 0.2%. 0.2. Acha. 20% means 0.2. Value of the equity, you know that S equals NI by KE. NI, here NI 15 lakh, which is 25,000. Divided KE. KE is shown KE is 10. Calculate value of the equity 76 lakh 25,000. S equals NI divided KE. NI divided KE. Satulab 76 lakh 25,000. Next, value of the company. You know that value means total company's evaluation. If you can value, you need two type of element. First, value means S plus B. S means total share of the company. Bond means total bond of the company. You can plus S plus B. S means share, total share here. See 76 plus debenture 70 lakh. 1 crore 46 lakh 25,000. Total value of the company S plus means 1 crore 46 lakh 25,000 taka. At the last of all, calculate overall cost of capital. Overall cost of capital is very important. You think that one formula you can use, K0 means EBIT by NOI oblique NOI divided V into 100. Here given EBIT 24 lakhs taka. 24 lakh taka. So, first of all, you write NOI divided value into 100. K0 NOI value into 100. You can follow here given NOI. We can calculate NOI 24 lakh. Divided value. We can calculate total value 1 crore 46 lakh 25,000. Gone into 100. You can follow NOI 24 lakh divided value. We can calculate 1 crore 46 lakh 25,000 into 100. You can calculate 16.41%. You need this chapter. You can first read the formula, then you can complete the sum. Dear student, you can follow the sum example. You can give your booklet. You can thoroughly read this first chapter, second chapter and third chapter. Then you can complete your exercise sum. Without read your formula, you cannot complete your exam or complete your sum. Thank you, student.